Ephawula emva kokuvota umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uthe akangabazi ukuthi abantu bakuleli bazophinde banike i-ANC ithuba lokuba iholele lelizwe. uRamaphosa ekanye nowakwakhe uDokotela uTsepo Motsipe bavotele esikoleni samabanga aphansi eShawelo eSoweto.
And I have no doubt whatsoever in my heart of hearts that the people will once again invest confidence in the African National Congress to continue to lead this country.
Kusenjalo owayengumongameli wakulelizwe uThabo Mbeki uthe kubalekile ukuthi iqembu le-ANC lifeze izethembiso elizethembise abantu emkhankasweni.
I think it's also going to be important that the ANC must do what it says about itself. The ANC has been saying it must renew itself. So the ANC must do that.
Emva kokuvota esikoleni iNorthwood Boys High eThekwini, umengameli we-DA uJohn Steenhuisen uthe lelizwe lingase libuswe imfelandawonye yamaqembu angazinzile uma abantu bengavoteli i-DA.
And that's why I've been telling people, come out and vote for the DA, because we will be the stable anchor in a new coalition, allow us to be able to form something new in the country.
Kusenjalo, umengameli we-EFF uJulius Malema uthi bazoyiqumba phansi i-ANC. Ukusho lokhu ngesikhathi eyovota ePolokwane eLimpopo.
We see ourselves overtaking the ANC, not the DA. The DA is small boys. We have no time for small boys. We are going for the real giant, which is the ANC. We are in an election to remove the ANC.
Umengameli we-Action SA uHerman Mashaba uthe unethemba lokuthi abantu bakuleli bavotele uguquko. Ukusho lokhu ngesikhathi eyovota eSandton eGoli ekanye nowakwakhe uConnie Mashaba.
Let's really hope that people have voted are going to vote and vote for change so that we can usher in a new future and hope for future generations.
Kusenjalo, umengameli weBosa uMmusi Maimane uthi kumele kube khona okwenziwayo ngalezinselele abikelwe abantu ngazo. uMaimane uvote eDobsonville eSoweto.
Some people are telling me right here, right now, they haven't had electricity. Some people are telling me right here, right now, this church is symbolic of what's been going on. I've been voting here every single time. And this used to be a place where people will congregate. But as you can see, the roofs are falling out, the windows. It's almost a metaphor of some of what's happened in Dobsonville.
Bonke labaholi bathi banethemba lokuthi bazolinqoba lolu khetho.